family, welcome to another property tour. Today we are touring Elkhorn Grove by Toll Brothers out here in northwest of Las Vegas. This is the Regalia Collection, single-story homes, gated community with central walking path, resident-only pool, convenient access to shopping, dining, and recreation. Great location. Now, if this is your first time to my channel, my name is Ramiro Fregoso, licensed realtor here in the area of Las Vegas. What I do in my channel is I tour all the new construction communities here throughout the Las Vegas area to show you what builders are offering. That way you can decide if the home or the community is the right fit for you. So if you're looking to make a move, my number will be right on the bottom of your screen. Call or text me anytime and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next tour. Real quick, Elkhorn Grove has two collections. So you have the Regalia Collection, which is right here. It's a single story home collection. And then you got the Sentinel Collection, which is on the right on the other side. You got the two-story collections, and they have 1 and 2 collections of those 2 stories as well. But today we are walking the Bello plan. But before we go inside, let me give you the property details. So this is a single-story home. This 2,981 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, up to 3-car garage, starting at $788,995. Keep in mind that is just the base price, does not include any lot premiums or any additional upgrades. Let me get on the other side of this fence real quick. Don't do this if you come here. I already checked in with the builder. All right. Here's the exterior look before we head inside. Got that nice farm exterior elevation. 3 different elevations here as well, meaning 3 different looks in the front, guys. Each different elevation has a different starting base price. All right. Let's go in the AC. It's already been getting hot. Believe it or not, it's like summer is coming faster than we think. Oh, nice. Got the nice LVP flooring. Okay. Really nice. So straight ahead, obviously you see the living room. Here you have flex space. This could be that 4th bedroom. And then here on the left we have a bedroom on this side, and then one on this side. So let's quickly start over here on this side. Let's just show you really quick. So this is the 1st bedroom. This is a bedroom suite. This is actually the window facing the front of the house. This. Then you have your own bathroom. So it's a bedroom suite. Look at that. Really nice. I love how it has the tile all the way up to the ceiling. Keep in mind, guys, before I get any farther, this is a model home. So pretty much everything you see is gonna be upgraded. Here's your laundry room. Have the tile flooring here in the laundry room. And then you have a closet here. As you can see, they have a deadbolt lock right there. So this is a most likely like a coat closet right here. Then let's go over here. Before we get any farther, if you wanna, here's the features that the home has. If you wanna pause it, take a screenshot, that way you're aware of all the additional options this home has. If we come over here, there's another bedroom. Right now they have it staged like an office. This is a nice office. This would be, I would convert this would be my office. Let's just say that, because I like to be facing the front, so somebody comes and comes to my door and knocks on it, I kind of want to be aware of what's going on. That's just me. Here's the bathroom. Then right over there you have your walk-in closet. Ooh, the AC feels so good in here. Let's go back. Look at these chandeliers, really nice. So then if we come over here, this is that flex space right here, office area. but this would be the option to have this as a 4th bedroom. And we come over here, it just continues to get better. You got the dining, the living room, another dining area over there, and the kitchen. And then right there we have a powder room. Let me just knock it out real quick, show you. I know I kind of teased you with this stuff, but sometimes I forget to show you guys. I get too excited and I'll probably forget to show you that. But let's start off with this, I guess you could say this is the formal dining area, because you do have that dining I just showed you on the other side. Got a nice little wet bar area right over there. And then right behind me is the living room. Nice, very spacious. I do love how that natural light just comes. Look at all the windows this has. Just windows everywhere, which I absolutely love. Look at that. Then look at this kitchen, guys. Man. Island easily seats 4 people. Got your double oven right over there, your refrigerator. Got the nice modern cabinets, which is like a really light cream brown color, black hardwares. Got the quartz backsplash over here on this side, also the countertops. Got the stainless steel undermount farmer sink. Got the dishwasher. I always seem to find this very odd. Microwave that low. I'm 6'2", so if I have to warm up my food, I'll kind of be pissed off if I have to bend over that low just to warm up my food. Look, you got the cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. What are you guys' thoughts, guys? Let me know in the comments below. Nice pendant lighting above. This is that dual oven. Then little counter space right there. One more time in the kitchen. Now if we come over here. So this is some more cabinet space. That's to the garage, not gonna check that out. Then right over here, you have your pantry. All right, so let's go over here off to this side. This is that dining area. This is probably the dining area, if this was my house, that I would mostly use. Closer to kitchen and also still accessible to watch TV from this angle. One more look from here, guys, before we head out to the backyard. Let me know, what do you guys think? You guys like it, you don't? Let me know in the comments below. That's the primary bedroom. We'll see that in just a second. But first, let me just show you the backyard really quick. Keep in mind, guys, so your front landscaping does come included with your home purchase, right? As far as it being landscaped. What doesn't, guys, is gonna be the backyard. Unless one day you purchase this model home, but you're gonna get just a clean slate, guys, just dirt. And typically you have to 6 to 12 months per the HOA to complete your backyard. But look at this, guys. Man, I feel like jumping in right now, but obviously we're on the work hours, can't be doing that. But look at this nice spa that they have out here. Is it hot, is it cold? Okay, nice and cold, yes. Obviously, guys, like I said, this does not come included, but I mean, it gives you a good visual of the potential of what you could do if you do purchase this home. Here it is, here's the backyard. Overall, good lot sizes here in this community. I would say it's probably about, I don't know, 25 feet from the back end of the wall to here, just to give you an idea. You got this outdoor fireplace right here, perfect. For winter time, you got that pit. Awesome. Also, guys, if you guys are enjoying this tour, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and also if you don't want to miss any upcoming tours, then also tap that bell. That way you receive the notification every time we do upload property tours. Hello. Now let's go over here. And here up to the right, we got this nice little flex space, office space. Also, really quick guys, if you guys are thinking about checking out new construction homes, make sure that you bring me or a realtor along with you on that first initial visit, because if you come solo, the builder won't let you have representation later on. Look at this primary. And right behind me, primary bath. You got the closet. Look at this closet. Nice oversized closet. Then here up to the right is your toilet and your beautiful primary bath. Look at this, dual vanity. In between you got the standard little bathtub. Stunning. Then right over here, oh, I love these accent walls too. Look at that. Your stand-up shower. Really nice. All right guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts? Also, if you'd like to schedule a showing, come check this out in person. I will have my contact information down below. And like always guys, if you guys enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications. Till next time.